Inspirational quote of the day. There is a thing about beauty. Beauty is always associated with the male fantasy of what the female body is. I don't think there is anything wrong with beauty. It's just what women think is beautiful can be different. And there can be a beauty in individualism. If there is a wart or a scar, this can be beautiful, in a sense, when you paint it. Jenny Saville. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Thank you for watching. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.